Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of recently pictures that have got really popular all over the social media. It's about Paul McCartney visiting the very frail Phil Collins in a hospital. So these are the pictures that have gone really popular. A lot of people are talking about this because it has gone really viral. So it was also claimed that he sang a song to him called Hey Jude. So the thing is it actually a true or legit event that occurred, or it's just an AI generated image? So once I tried to dive deeper, I got to know based on the comments of the people, a lot of people are saying it's just an AI generated. And one of the evidence of this is like the Colin cannot is a right-handed person, and he doesn't use the violin from left hand. So this is concerning thing. And another thing that has got raised concerns about this, once I tried searching for it, if it is a legit on a Google, I've got to know no, this is just an AI generated, fake AI generated images of two musicians, and that circulated on social media in August 2025. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on these pretty much clear reviews of the people, these pictures are pretty much a scam and just an AI generated that were created to grab attention. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.